Hi friends, today in this video I'll show you how to create Gmail as an app in Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system. You can create a Gmail as an app in Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system using your web browser, which essentially turns the website into a standalone app. Okay? Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge both have built-in features for this. So first, now create a Gmail app using Google Chrome web browser. For this, you have to launch Google Chrome web browser, sign into your Gmail account. After signing, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser window. Now go to the Cast, Save and Share option, and after that click on Install Page as App. A dialog box will appear. You can rename the shortcut, that is Gmail or My Gmail, etc. Now click on Install. A Gmail icon will appear on your desktop. Now double clicking it will open your inbox in its own window. Okay, and this is the process how you can create the Gmail as an app. Now create a Gmail app using your Microsoft Edge operating system. Okay, Microsoft Edge uses a similar method to install website as an app, which also create a desktop shortcut. Okay, for this you have to launch Microsoft Edge. Now sign in to your Gmail account or other account. After that, click the three horizontal dots in the top right corner of the browser window. Okay, go to More Tools. After that, go to Apps. Now click on Install this site as an app. Okay, again now you have to give the app name. After that, you have to click Install. A desktop shortcut will be created and the Gmail app will open immediately. Like this method, you can also add your YouTube app or any other website as an app. Thanks for watching my video.